The National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System MIUS has been named Kızıl Elma, Bayraktar said, referring to an expression in Turkish mythology that symbolizes goals, ideas, or dreams that are far away but are more attractive the further that distance may be. MIUS will be jet-powered and is expected to be capable of taking off from Turkey's flagship to be amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu. The landing helicopter dock LHD type ship is said to be the first of its kind in the world as a vessel that allows the landing of unmanned combat aerial vehicles on its dock. It will be used in multi-purpose operations and is set to be delivered this year. Baykar is currently working on the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV, an upgraded version of the company's famed Bayraktar TB2. MIUS and TB3 will be both extended Turkey's drone capabilities from land-based to naval operations, as they will both be able to take off from TCG Anadolu. MIUS will be capable of operating in tandem with piloted aircraft and may carry air-to-air missiles, the company says. With the 5th generation fighters, the world is witnessing the end of manned fighters. No new manned combat aircraft will be developed. Unmanned systems will increasingly become the strongest elements on the battlefield in the future. The unmanned fighter jet is projected to conduct a multitude of military actions, such as strategic offensives, close air support, missile offensives, suppression of enemy air defenses, and destruction of enemy air defenses. Baykar in November signed a contract with Ivshenko Progress, one of the leading Ukrainian companies, for the procurement of engines for the MIUS. Ivshenko Progress was projected to supply the AI-322F turbofan engine for the jet under the agreement. The aircraft is set to feature a high operational altitude and takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms, and it can carry 1.5 tons of useful payload. It is projected to be capable of flying for 5 hours and reaching speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour or Mach 0.64. Turkey has battle-proven their unmanned aircraft in Armenia, Libya, Syria, and Ukraine. Many NATO and Asian countries are in a lineup to order dozens of TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles. I hope you liked the video, you learned something today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.